Okay, I really wasn't going to get this keyboard. The AULA F75 is everywhere. Reddit, YouTube, keyboard groups. So I told myself, nope, not falling for the hype. And here we are. Welcome to the unboxing of AULA F75. Just for you, the lovely viewer of Tech Smoothie. Become a lovely subscriber by subscribing to Tech Smoothie. Alright, let's open it up and see what the hype is really about. First thing inside, a plastic cover, nothing fancy, but it does the job. Then we've got the usual manual booklet and a quick reference card showing all the buttons, functions, including hotkeys and modes. AULA F75 comes with a ton of options for colors and 3 options for switches like the Leobog Reaper, Greywood and the Icewind switches. I've heard the Icewind linear switches are the best sounding ones, so our AULA F75 has the Icewind switches. So inside we have a couple of extra Icewind switches. A basic keycap puller, nothing wild but handy. And on the right side we have a USB-A to USB-C cable for wired connection or charging. And yes, this thing supports 2.4G wireless and Bluetooth, so you're not just stuck with wired option. Now to the star of the show. Whoa, this thing is heavy. Like can't take it out with one hand heavy. But hey, the weight gives it that premium feel right out of the box. And time for the big reveal. Honestly, I love the clean and simple look. Nothing over the top, just solid, well built and sleek. You've got your 2-level adjustment feet on the back. The knob is decent. Smooth to turn, no tactile clicks. Personally, I prefer the clicky style like the one on the Leobog High 75. Here we have our Type-C port and the 2.4G dongle to use with the 2.4G mode. So let's switch it on by turning on the Bluetooth mode. And hello RGB lights. The LEDs are very bright. The animations are buttery smooth. And you can actually change the lighting effects just by pressing the knob. No shortcuts needed. And here are some of the light effects. Okay, enough playing with the lights. Let's get into the fun stuff now. Typing and sound test. The gasket mount gives it that signature soft, creamy sound. And the typing feel? Surprisingly good. Soft and not mushy. Popping off the keycaps, you can see just how bright those under switch LEDs are. Seriously, this thing glows like a mini disco under every key. Now let's add a little flair of customization. Here we've got a cute little ghost keycap that we are going to replace our escape key with. Ooh, very spooky. And that wraps up the unboxing of the internet famous AULA F75. So should you get it? if this is going to be your first mechanical keyboard, I think you won't be disappointed. And if you're getting it under $50 to $70, then it might even be a good deal. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Tech Smoothie and give it a like.